So today we're out at one of the local salvage yards. You're going to see what this Chemical Guys VSS polish will do. I'm not going to sand, just going to clean it off with some water and a rag, and then see if this will polish out a bit with the VSS compound from Chemical Guys. So here we go. There's a VSS. It's the swirl remover, whatever the hell it is. I usually use this at the very end sometimes when I'm doing a headlight restoration. Instead, I don't normally polish only. So I just wanted to see what this stuff will do. So here I am putting a little dab on my AC Delco 12 volt polisher. The link to buy one of those if you need one from Amazon, it should be in my description. I'm using the 3M Finesse It pad along with my 12 volt AC Delco polisher and the VSS from Chemical Guys. Like I said, I've never used this before on strictly a headlight polish. I've always used it as a finished product just to use prior to clear coating when I'm doing a full headlight restoration. So we'll see how it turns out. Stay tuned, folks. Polisher is a 2-speed setting, so you can switch it from low to high. You notice I started off in the low setting so I can get the compound spread around and polished into the headlight a little bit. Then I turn the speed up. That's a pretty damn good job if you ask me. Considering I just polished it only. Normally I would have sanded first, but I just wanted to see what it would do. Y'all be the judge. That's the VSS Chemical Guys compound. You can find it on Amazon or wherever. Just look them up.